If you have been importing products from China using 1688, Pinduoduo, Shein, Alibaba or AliExpress or Taobao or any Chinese e-commerce app or websites using some of these apps to source and find direct Chinese factory at wholesale price for a very long time, consider to stay tuned to this video and see another miraculously way that you can use to find Chinese wholesale factory direct supplier without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to give you a miraculously way by which you can use to find real Chinese factory direct without any stress. So we are going to make use of TikTok app. TikTok app is a free app that you can download and install on Android phone if you are using Android. If you are using iPhone, you can as well download it from the App Store. There are a lot of different purposes whereby people can use TikTok. So what we want to use TikTok to do right here is to see how we can find direct, reliable Chinese factory. So for that, open up your TikTok app. So after open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do right here is to go ahead and proceed to this search icon right here. Go ahead and click on search icon. And then what you need to do right here is to simply type in China factory. Then include the products that you are looking for, or better still, wholesaler. Wholesalers. Hit on search. Then you are going to see different videos from different Chinese factory wholesalers. Scroll down and see them right here. Okay, you can follow some of the account right here. China Wholesaler Factory, Wholesaler of Factory of China, China_Factory 5. You can scroll down and check on different wholesaler Chinese factory right here. If you are looking for a kind of factory direct for shoes, click on any of them right here, and then it's going to take you to their page right here. Now, what you need to do right here is to do a proper due diligence. You can see this one here was attached with the address, factory address. Click on their profile link name right here, and it's going to take you to their page. So from the page right here, it is always advisable that you patronize the verified account. Okay, anyone that have a verified badge in TikTok, they are fully verified. It is advisable that you patronize them. So let's take a look at another store right here. So this particular girl right here, let's check on the store, and then you can see their contact right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the store name. So just like so. So this one's also, they were not verified. So you can search as much as possible and see any one of them that is actually verified before you can engage with them. So let's take a look at this particular store right here. So welcome to Logage. So I'm going to click on the store name. So I don't know why some of them are using a very long name. So however, you need to pay proper attention to a verified one on their TikTok handle so that you don't fall prey. So you can continue to scroll down, search as much as possible to see different direct manufacturer. So you can see this one also is that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about China sourcing hack, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.